Hello po sa aking mga kababayan ng mga Pilipina na nandito sa Japan, mga teachers. By the way, ako po si Chihara Di Binacano, isang Pilipina na nakatira dito sa Japan at isang nanay. At ako po ay isang home-based English teacher. So, actually po, hindi po ako talaga professional teacher. Ako lang po ay isang nanay at ako po ay wala po akong degree hindi po ako degree holder as an English teacher dahil ako po ay hindi nakatapos ng pag-aaral, pero gustong-gusto ko pong magturo dahil nga po sa kahirapan hindi ko po nakamit ang aking pangarap na maging teacher, pero hindi po 'yun naging hadlang, kaya nandito ako at ginagawa ko ang lahat para po ako matuto magturo ng mga bata. At ngayon po ay nandito ako sa aking tahanan lamang at nagtuturo ng mga Hapon na mga bata, mga iba't ibang lahi ng mga bata, may mga Vietnamese, tinuturuan ko po sila kung paano sila magbasa at tinuturuan ko sila ng mga basic lamang na mga English. So, ngayon po, kaya po ako nandito kasi gusto ko po i-share po yung the way ko ng pagtuturo sa mga bata. O baka din po, pwede nyo po itong gamitin kung mag-apply kayo as ALT dito sa Japan. So, pang demo po ito. So, demo lesson, ano po ito. So, ang ide-demo ko po ngayon is ang days of the week. So, days of the week po yung ipapakita ko po sa inyo ngayon. So, una, ipipresent ko muna. Tapos, ang mga bata ay sunoato, magpo-follow sila sa akin. So, repetition. Okay. Ganito po ako mag-present. Okay. Sunday. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Okay, next. Paparipit ko naman sa kanila ang sasabihin ko ngayon. Okay, now repeat after me. Sunday. Sunday. Very good. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Okay, very good. Now answer my question. What's this? It's okay, Sunday. What's this? It's Monday. Monday. Very good. What's this? It's Tuesday. Very good. Tuesday. What's this? It's Wednesday. Wednesday. What's this? It's Thursday. Very good. It's Thursday. What's this? It's Friday. Friday. What's this? It's Saturday. Saturday. Okay, very good. Okay, children, let's make a game. Okay, I will do the action first. Sunday. Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Okay, one more time. Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. And now, let's make a guess. Okay, what's this? It's Sunday. What's this? It's Monday. What's this? It's Tuesday. Very good. What's this? It's Wednesday. What's this? It's Thursday. What's this? What's this? It's Friday. Friday. Very good. What's this? What's this? It's Saturday. Saturday. Very good. Good job. Okay, now answer my question. What are the days of the week? Very good. Very good. So, yun po ang ginagawa ko po kung paano po ako mag-present ng mga new vocabulary or mga new words para sa aking mga estudyante na mga batang Hapon. So, yun po ang ginagawa ko. Una, ipipresent ko. Pangalawa, magpa-practice sila and then reinforce, maggagawa tayo ng games like kagaya nung ginagawa ko na guessing game, using TPR, total physical response, and then production. So, yun po ang maganda talaga na gagawin para ma-absorb talaga ng mga bata. At through sa games, matatandaan po nila kung anong araw po yun, anong words yun. So, at by the way, yung ginagawa kong action po like sa guessing game ay base lang po iyon sa kanji character ng mga days of the week dahil may kanya-kanyang meaning po ang kanji ng araw, yung days of the week nila. Kagaya ng Monday is moon po, buwan po ang kanji niya, ang picture niya. So it means tsuki. So ano yun siya, man or moon. So Tuesday is fire. So kaya ganun po ang action ko. So Tuesday is tubig and Tuesday is fire and Wednesday is tubig, water, and Thursday is yung kahoy and then Friday is like gold or money and Saturday is lupa, so soil. So yun po yung action. So ang Sunday naman is araw. So, kaya po ganun ang mga action. So, palagay ko po hindi po siya applicable sa ibang country. Hindi po siya applicable kasi iba po, wala po silang kanji character. So, applicable lang po siya, yung mga action dito sa Japan dahil po sa kanji character. So, yun po. Sana po may nakukuha po kayong idea sa isang nanay na kagaya ko na hindi naman wala naman pong Hindi naman po professional, pero love na love ang magturo. So, salamat po. Thank you so much sa panonood. Sana nakakuha kayo ng idea. Bye-bye!